How to use FL Studio on MacBook Air. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use FL Studio on your MacBook Air. First, visit the ImageLine website and download the FL Studio macOS installer. The latest version supports the macOS Big Sur and later. What you're going to do is to click on Let's Try for free, and then it might prompt you to download it according to where you want it. Like for example, if you own a Mac or a Windows, but of course this tutorial is for Mac OS, so just click on Mac and then click on download now. Now open the downloaded.dmg file and drag the FL Studio icon into your applications folder. Open the app and allow necessary permissions in Mac OS security settings. FL Studio runs smoothly on MacBook Air, but for best performance, close unnecessary apps and ensure your system has enough free RAM and storage. If you have an external MIDI or MIDI keyboard or audio interface, connect it to your MacBook Air and configure the device settings and FL Studio's audio and MIDI options. Explore the tutorial videos within FL Studio for a quick start on beat making, mixing, and composing. The interface is user-friendly and optimized for MacBook Air's Retina display. Remember to save your projects frequently and back them up in iCloud or an external drive. And that's how you use FL Studio on MacBook Air.